Hi guys, welcome back to my anime Iron Fist. And I got this action figure of Tony Stark Iron Man from the first Iron Man movie. And I want to unbox it. I have this in a box for probably for like 5 months now. And I'm just thinking, I want to probably open it. I don't want to keep it in the box anymore. I just want to open this cool action figure. Yeah, I'm going to start opening it. Yes, this could be really cool. What is this? I've never seen something in a box like this. This is just rubbish. Yeah, rubbish. There you go. I probably had to grab it out of the fork. There's no way. Bro, this is hard to take out. Let's see how it goes. I think I nearly got it now. You can check it first. It's so cool. What's the point leaving it in the box and never opening it? I don't think that's a point. I even got the blouses, I think they call these. I think it comes out of his hands. I also got his hands out, and I even got the mask out. I think you can actually swap the mask. Can you? Oh, it doesn't sound like it. Impossible. I can't do that. Oh, you can. See his head on Brady's head, and you can put it as Iron Man's head. That's cool. But it's hard to put on. Yeah, it's so hard. It's a bit tricky. I'm having a bit of trouble. Let's see. This is a little tricky. It's a bit tricky. I can't get the head on. How is this so hard? Okay, got the head on. And it looks like you can probably change the hands if you wanted to. Let's get one of the hands out. See? Let's grab one of them. See? That is so cool. Glasses. Where's that probably go? Does he hold it with the hand? I don't know how this is supposed to work. Or maybe. I think I got it. Let's take one. We'll take the other hand off. See? The other hand is. And grab the blouses. Maybe it's like. Maybe it goes there. Don't know then. Is it? I don't know. Just what? Yeah, it's really cool. I actually really like this. What do you think of it? If you're an action figure collecting, this is like the only action figure I got. But you collect action figures, let me know down the comment what you think of it. Or like, what would you do with it if you collect action figures and you take it out of the box? What would you do with it? If you're an action figure collection guy and you collect action figures, what would you actually do if you unbox it? What would you do with it? I don't know what I would do with it. So please let me know if you collect action figures. I even figure out this blouse goes on. So it goes on the foot. So you know in the Iron Man movies, like, well, in the Avengers, like he flies like this.
One.
That is cool. Well, I didn't know it was before. I was like figuring out, does it go in the hand? Well, this is confusing and now I get it. I was just messing around with Iron Man and you see the leg. You can actually put the legs down so it's like bending down. So he's on his knees like this or something. Can you do the same one though? Wow. You can do it on arms too if you wanted to. I don't know what else in the body you can do. You're gonna spin the head around one to do so you can have it backwards. Oh, you can try and doing the splits. Oh, you can. That is so cool. Wow. What else you can do? So guys, thank you for watching me unbox this Iron Man. I think this is so cool. And make sure to subscribe to Miami Iron Fist and make sure to, and I might buy another action figure and unbox that one too if I get another one. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.